Want to grow fresh vegetable and flowers but don't have lots of room? This video is for you. 2x2 2 pieces, 1x4 4 pieces, landscape fabric, brad nail, hardware cloth, a sanding sponge. Cut 2x2 of 4 feet into 4 pieces, 1x4 of 4 feet into 4 pieces, 1x4 of 15 inch into 12 pieces. Tools that we need: brad nailer, let's enjoy our breakfast before we start. Alright, the first thing we are going to do is making a hole at the bottom 2 pieces of 1x4 so the water can drain. Planter boxes of all types require drainage hole. These outdoor planter boxes where rain and watering can easily cause overwatering and plant will die. Now I am sanding it to have a clean smooth surface. Using a nail gun is super easy. Hold it against the wood and pull the trigger. I am lying down 2x2 on 2 pieces of 1x4. Make sure to have the drill hole at the bottom. Now I am going to do the same with another side too. And for the two side faces, I am putting 2 of 1x4 of 15 inch together with nailing 2x2 of 8 inch. Okay, it's time to put it all together. Now lay down all the remaining 8 pieces of 1x4 of 15 inch at the bottom and nail it. Now that all the woodworking is complete, it is time to do the final layers inside the planter box. So the first layer I am doing is hardware wire cloth, and it helps give it extra strength and is super bendable. After the wire, I am using landscape fabric to line the bottom of the box. The main benefit of landscape fabric is it stops weed growth and it also holds the dirt in. Now it's time to fill it up full of dirt. I added 4 bags of dirt. I am going to get all the clumps out of the soil, and with that, project is complete. My favorite thing about the garden bed is it's super easy to make. It's using basic material which is under $50, and gosh, it just looks so awesome.